Here is how you can see calories burned on your Apple Watch. So the best way to view it is by getting into all of your apps view, and you need to locate this fitness application, which is marked by the three rings right here. So when you get inside of this application, you can see it is represented by the three rings. So we have the red one, green, and blue one. So the red one is for calories, active calories burned on your during your day using the Apple Watch. So when you swipe up like this, you can see your move goal means that I have the goal of 300 calories a day and I burned 7 today. Obviously, this Apple Watch is not my main one, so I use the other one right here, but that's how it essentially works. So you can track it right here inside of this application. When you click on this button right here, you can also adjust the goal. So perhaps 300 isn't really that much, so I'm going to bump it up to 500 to make it worth something, and I'm going to click on the set. And right now, the full circle, the red full circle represents 500 calories a day. I'm getting closer to it as I burn more and more. Also, some other things you should know about is that there are specific watch faces as well as complications where you can track the progress without getting inside of the app. So there is a specific watch face for activities. So this is going to be the main thing which shows up on your wrist, right? So it's pretty useful that way. So every time you look at your watch, you can see your daily calories progress. So that's pretty useful. And also one last thing is calories burned during a workout. So if you start a workout right here, let's say it's going to be, I don't know, like a indoor or outdoor run, you can start it like this and you can focus on the calories, right? So you can see it right there. How many calories you burn, but this workout goal is for the time elapsed, so it focuses on that. However, you can always just adjust the goals right here. So as you can see, we have the outdoor run, and I'm going to choose the goal from 15 minutes to calories goal. So I'm going to switch to calories. Let's say I want to go make this goal 100 calories. I'm going to click on this, and right now you can track it directly as part of the workout right there. So you're going to be able to see it as the circle fills up that it represents 100 calories. You're going to get used to it once you start using it. So it's very, very simple that way. And that's how it generally works. You know, that's how you can keep track of this. So hope you found this video helpful. I might make more videos about calories and stuff like this on the Apple Watch. So if you're interested, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.